Raindrops dance on the empty street, moonlight shining where our shadows meet. Your hand in mine, soft and slow. Every heartbeat whispers, don't let go. Thunder rolls, but I don't care. With you I chase the midnight air. Cold and wet, but you're so warm. Wrapped inside your arms, I'm home. Kiss me under the falling rain. Let it wash away the world's pain. Hold me close, don't say a word. Love speaks louder than what's heard. On this rainy night, it's only us, falling deep like every drop.
Streetlights flicker, golden hue. Every raindrop sparkles like it's new. Your lips taste like a midnight dream. A love so real, it's poetry. Thunder rolls, but I don't care. With you I chase the midnight air. Cold and wet, but you're so warm. Wrapped inside your arms, I'm home.
Kiss me under the falling rain. Let it wash away the world's pain. Hold me close, don't say a word. Love speaks louder than what's heard. On this rainy night, it's only us, falling deep like every drop. Let the storm rage, let the sky cry. I just want you by my side. No need for stars, no need for light. You're my calm in this endless night.
So let the rain fall, let it stay. With you I'd never run away. On this rainy night, love is true. Under the storm, I'm lost in you.